Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do printhead alignment on an Epson XP-4155. This is a useful process for removing fine horizontal or vertical lines in your prints from this machine. Thankfully this can be done from the machine itself using nothing but the buttons on the front of the printer. Now during setup your printer will actually offer to do this with you to make sure the machine is set up as it should be, but I for one tend to skip that and then just come back to it if needs be later on. So, I'm going to use the arrow keys and OK on the front here to get ourselves along to maintenance. We press OK to go in. And printhead alignment is the third option down. So I'm going to go down twice, press OK. Now, printhead alignment for these printers is broken down into vertical and horizontal. If you're not sure what they mean, you can just press the circular arrows thing here on whichever is selected to get an example on page. But it's as simple as the vertical alignment is for vertical lines, and if you've got vertical lines on your prints it's almost certainly this issue as the printhead moves horizontally, so it's hard for it to leave stripes in there if this isn't the issue. As the image here indicates, you can also get kind of hazing where things are misaligned, and it just makes things look kind of fuzzy, so it's a term that's often used when people kind of query this with us. So if you've got something like that, or vertical lines, you want to be going into the vertical alignment. If, however, you've got stripes running horizontally, you're going to want to go into horizontal alignment, which as again shown here, little breaks across your characters at fairly regular intervals. Now this can be misdiagnosed as a print quality issue, as you do sometimes get breaks in the certain portions of the printhead. So if horizontal alignment doesn't fix this, you might want to look into running some cleaning cycles, which we also have a video for on our channel. But now we know pretty much what we're looking for, we can start running through these options. If you want to skip about, I will put time codes in the description to take you to either the vertical or the horizontal alignment. Both processes are similar, but noticeably different. So I'm going to go into vertical alignment first. Press OK twice. Now this will take your printer just a minute. Now that done, left on the screen, and you should have a page that looks something like this. And as you can see, we've got a whole series of blocks. And if you have any issues, that's the kind of lines you'd be looking for. The ones just running vertical. It's hard for your printer to produce those if alignment isn't the course. Now what we're looking for is the block with the least lines in it, which on the top line is number 3. As you can see here, it's asking for number 1, and which block is the giving the best result, which is 3, which is the one selected, so we press OK. And if we go back to the sheet, for line 2, it's looking like somewhere between number 3 and number 4. If you can't tell the difference, it doesn't really matter which one you choose. I'm going to say 4 by an absolute hair is the best one, so press OK. And you can just work your way down from 1 to 7, choosing the best answer, which for me is 4, 4, 4, 3. You just use the minus to take it down 1, and 3 again on the final one. So again, press minus, changes that, press OK, and then you're done. Now, if you need to do some horizontal alignment, we'll take ourselves back in there. And again, it will print as another page. So give it just a minute. Now, we've got a very similar looking page here, similar looking layout on the screen as well. So let's take a look, because we are looking for something pretty different. Now on this one, because it's the horizontal alignment, we're looking for horizontal lines. And we're looking for the block which is the best aligned. See at the bottom here? You can see there's just a slight white line on number 7 where the 2 blocks are not quite touching. They're just separated that a little bit. It gets better as we go up. It's pretty much perfect on 4. But if we go all the way up to 1, you can see they've overlapped. You've got like a slightly more defined line running across the middle, which we do not want. Okay, so we go back to the screen. We're going to select number 4. which is the default one. As you can tell, I've already run alignment on this machine as I set it up. And we're done. So hopefully you've now got some nice looking prints that you can be happy with. If you are getting more lines horizontally across your prints, I'd recommend running through the printhead cleaning and the nozzle checks that process also takes you to hopefully resolve that. If, however, there's something else you'd like to know, please do let us know down in the comments. If you've liked this video, please do let us know with a like. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.